Welcome to the tutorial series, How to Write a Camp Song with Your Campers. Hi friends, I'm Justin Boats with the Inferno program, and I'm excited to support this year's Summer Camp Song Challenge. Get ready to unleash creativity, teamwork, and camp spirit through the power of song. This video series will guide you step by step through a process of writing an original camp song with your campers. Whether you're a seasoned musical song creator or doing this for the first time, you'll learn some fun and engaging techniques to help campers brainstorm lyrics, create catchy melodies and beats, and finally capture the fun of this year's camp experience through a recorded song. By the end of this series, you'll have the tools to turn your campers into music makers and maybe even discover the next great camp anthem. So let's get started.